അടിപൊളി. Today I am going to share the recipe for the savory pongal, also known as Ven Pongal. To make pongal, you will need 1 cup rice, half cup split moong dal, 1 spoon mustard, 1 spoon jeera, 1 spoon black pepper seeds, small piece of ginger grated, 1 to 2 green chilli finely chopped, cashews, curry leaves, ghee. Mix washed dal and rice in a bowl and add 3 times of its quantity of water. I have taken 1.5 cup of dal and rice together, so I am adding 4.5 cup of water. Immerse the vessel in a pressure cooker and make sure you close the vessel with a lid. Pressure cook it for up to 3 to 4 whistles. Take a kadai and heat 2 spoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add the mustard seeds and cumin seeds and let them crackle. Add black pepper seeds followed by chopped green chillies, grated ginger and curry leaves. Fry for about 30 seconds. Then add the cooked rice and dal mixture to the kadai and give it a good stir. Add salt as per your taste. You can also add the salt while you pressure cook the dal and rice. Finally, add 1 cup of milk slowly to the kadai and keep stirring while you do so. Switch off the gas and stir the contents of the kadai well and garnish it with coriander leaves. In a small tadka pan, fry cashews in ghee until they turn slightly brown. Garnish your freshly made pongal with the fried cashews. Your delicious pongal is now ready to serve. This recipe is called Paniyaram, which can be made for breakfast or as a snack. Ingredients: fermented dosa or idli batter, 3 to 4 medium onions finely chopped, curry leaves finely chopped, coriander leaves finely chopped, Kashmiri chilli powder, homemade chutney powder for which I will share recipe very soon. Take 5 to 6 large spoons of batter in a mixing bowl. Add onions, coriander leaves and curry leaves along with 2 spoons of chili powder and 3 spoons of chutney powder. Mix well and add salt as required. Add little amount of water to make the consistency like this. Heat the Paniyaram pan, also known as appam maker, on a medium flame. You can purchase this Paniyaram pan online or at any cookware store. Pour little amount of oil in each of the holes and keep it on a medium flame. Once the oil becomes hot, pour the batter to fill each of these holes. Let it cook on a low flame. Once the bottom side seems cooked, turn it gently for the other side to cook as well. Once the paniyaram is completely cooked, transfer it to a serving bowl. Your delicious and soft paniyarams are now ready to serve. Serve them with your favorite chutney or tomato ketchup. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button to be notified whenever a new video comes up. Thanks for watching.